सामरस्य श्लोकसङ्ग्रहः ध्यानश्लोकाः। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीं यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैः स्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुल्लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। पाराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटम् नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानं मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजं कलिमलप्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे। अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु मोक्षार्थं योगप्रणाली सामरस्य श्लोकसङ्ग्रहः। श्रीभगवानुवाच अनेकचित्तविभ्रान्ताः मोहजालसमावृताः प्रसक्ताः कामभोगेषु पतन्ति नरकेषु च ऊर्ध्वं गच्छन्ति सत्त्वस्थाः मध्ये तिष्ठन्ति राजसाः जघन्यगुणवृत्तिस्थाः अधो गच्छन्ति तामसाः। चतुर्विधा भजन्ते मां जनाः सुकृतिनोऽर्जुन आर्तो जिज्ञासुरर्थार्थी ज्ञानी च भरतर्षभ। कायेन मनसा बुद्ध्या केवलैरिन्द्रियैरपि योगिनः कर्म कुर्वन्ति सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा शुद्धये। उत्तमः पुरुषस्त्वन्यः परमात्मेत्युदाहृतः यो लोकत्रयमाविश्य बिभर्त्यव्यय ईश्वरः। तस्माच्छास्त्रं प्रमाणन्ते कार्याकार्यव्यवस्थितौ ज्ञात्वा शास्त्रविधानोक्तं कर्म कर्तव्यम् वक्तुमिहार्हसि समदुःखसुखस्वस्थः समलोष्टाश्मकाञ्चनः तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो धीरः तुल्यनिन्दात्मसंस्तुतिः तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः सुखदुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जयाजयौ ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि आश्चर्यवत् पश्यति कश्चिदेनम् आश्चर्यवद् वदति तथैव चान्यः आश्चर्यवच्चैनमन्यः शृणोति श्रुत्वाप्येनं वेद न चैव कश्चित् यल्लब्ध्वा चापरं लाभं मन्यते नाधिकं ततः यस्मिन् स्थितो न दुःखेन गुरुणापि विचाल्यते मुक्तसङ्गो नहं वादी धृत्युत्साहसमन्वितः सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्योर्निर्विकारः कर्ता सात्विक उच्यते मच्चित्ता मद्गतप्राणाः बोधयन्तः परस्परं कथयन्तश्च मां नित्यं तुष्यन्ति च रमन्ति च बहूनि मे व्यतीतानि जन्मानि तव चार्जुन तान्यहं सर्वाणि न त्वं वेत्थ परन्तप यस्य नाहं कृतो भावः बुद्धिर्यस्य न लिप्यते हत्वापि सैमान् लोकान् न हन्ति न निबध्यते सिद्धिं प्राप्तो यथा ब्रह्मा तथाप्नोति निबोध मे समासेनैव कौन्तेय निष्ठा ज्ञानस्य या परा प्रयाणकाले मनसाचलेन भक्त्या युक्तो योगबलेन चैव भ्रुवोर्मध्ये प्राणमावेश्य सम्यक् सतं परं पुरुषमुपैति दिव्यं तमेव शरणं गच्छ सर्वभावेन भारत तत्प्रसादात् परां शान्तिं स्थानं प्राप्स्यसि शाश्वतम् ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमन्महाभारते शतसाहस्र्यां संहितायां वैयासिक्यां भीष्मपर्वणि श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे मोक्षार्थं योगप्रणाली सामरस्य श्लोकसङ्ग्रहः हरिः ओम् तत्सत् श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
Esteemed friends, my boys and girls, Bhagavad Gita is meant to improve us. Bhagavad Gita is meant to empower us. Bhagavad Gita is meant to enlighten us. Bhagavad Gita is not to increase our egoism, ahankara. It is not meant to enhance our egoism. It does not entangle us, enmesh us in egoism, ahankara. Sri Krishna is a model teacher, exemplary teacher. Arjuna is a student. A good teacher, first and foremost, puts forth the principle sutram is equal to MC square. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Paratu tatsrute Brahma Sutram. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction, a sutram. First, the sutram or principle is presented by the teacher. Next, explains it. E is energy. M is mass. One by one, word by word, you explain the meaning of your sutram. 3. Elaborate it in detail. Use some more steps. And then you illustrate it, you give an example. Thereby, you take the student to a level of complete understanding. After that, your expected result has come or not. Sometimes, even if we make the best efforts to make the idea very, very clear, it is not followed. In spite of Sri Krishna's Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna very often is caught in the clutches of ahankara. Bhagavad Gita is to remove egoism, but Arjuna becomes egoistic. We shall see the example. Entire Mahabharata Yuddha is over. Duryodhana is killed. Bhishma had fallen. Drona is no more. Karna is killed. And Dharmaraj is declared successful. Arjuna became victorious. He became Vijaya on the 18th day. Now, Arjuna has developed a little egoism. I am successful. I have got the PhD degree. I am now a doctor. I am the chancellor. I am the president. Slowly, the poison of egoism goes to the head. Eyes begin to raise to the head. And Arjuna looked at Krishna. Hey Krishna! Till then he was humble. He was very, very friendly, genial. When he became successful, the tone of Arjuna has had a change. Hey Krishna! Krishna looked. Oh, the man has become a little egoistic. Yes, boss. Arjuna looked at Krishna. Take the chariot round Kurukshetra. Yes, boss. Take me round the entire battlefield. Yes, boss. What is it we do, sir? I want to see how many people I have killed. I want to see how many books I have read. I want to see how many papers I have published. I want to see how many people I have defeated. Ahankara. And Sri Krishna very obediently, Vidya dadati vinayam. The more scholarly you are, the more cultured you should be, quiet, calm, tranquil, serene, obedient. Krishna is humble. Yes, the chariot was being taken. The Ratham came to the edge of Kurukshetra boundary. Arjuna was looking at the battlefield and he was intoxicated with victory. Ahankara, the wine of victory has gone to his head. And at the end of the boundary, there was a tall tree. Arjuna looked at it. On the top of the tree, there was a man. And he had an instrument in his hands. Arjuna looked at him. Hey man, come down. The person came down. What are you doing there? Who are you? What is there in your hand? And that man humbly said, Sir, my name is Barbarika. I did tapas. Normally, when God comes, people ask for success to the place where they are or to themselves. But this Barbarika requested Shiva to grant him a boon. What is that varam? The opposite side should win. This Barbarika loves Pandavas. If he fights on the side of Pandavas, according to that varam, Duryodhana will win. He does not want Duryodhana, he does not like him, therefore he cannot go to Pandavas, he cannot go to Duryodhana. He went to the Lord, Sri Krishna. He sought his advice. Sri Krishna said, my dear Barbarika, don't fight. I will give you an instrument. What shall I do with that? It's video camera. Take it. Go to the top of the tree. Select your view. Record the proceedings of the Mahabharata Yuddha as our friend does. Barbarika went to the top, sat on the top of the tree. He brought down that machine, told Arjuna, Sir, I am recording. You are recording the proceedings of the Mahabharata Yuddha? Yes, sir. Right from the first day? Yes, sir. Very first day? Yes, sir. Till today, till this minute. Mister, I want a small information. I did not carry the mirror when I was killing Karna. Useless fellow. I killed him. How were my eyes when I killed Karna? How was my face? Was it like a hero when I was killing Karna? Drona I killed. How was my face? When I was darting arrows towards Bhishma, how did I look like? There was no camera then. I wanted to show my face to Subhadra. I wanted to show my face to my brothers. Unfortunately, there was no camera. Now you have fulfilled my need. You say you have recorded the proceedings. Kindly play back. Show me my face when I was killing Karna, how did I look like? When I was killing Drona, how did I look like? Was I heroic? Was I very bold? And that gentleman, Barbarika, folded his hands. Sir, you are a great man, sir. You are Partha, sir. You are Vijaya, sir. You are a PhD holder, sir. You are the president, sir. Everything all right, sir. I recorded, sir. Everything is available in the video, sir. But, sir, unfortunately, sir, you are not present in it, sir. How can there be Kurukshetra Yuddha without me? How can the Prashanti Kutir work without me? Ankara. How can there be BNYS institution without me? How can the campus shine without Kala Vilasa? Everything wonderful, important. I am important, I am important. Barbarica said, sorry sir, if you want I will play, but you are not there. Who is there in it? Only one person is present in the video, sir. Who is that one person? Krishna, sir. He is the producer, sir. He is the director, sir. He is the actor, sir. He is everything, sir. And except Krishna, there is nobody else. Except God, nobody else. Nimitta matram bhava sabyasachi. All of us are instruments. All of us are tools. There is fate above. There is destiny above. There is God above. Everything is done by that Jagannataka Sutradhari Bhagavan. And that idea was brought to Arjuna. Krishna demonstrated to make Arjuna humble. By the grace of God Almighty, let us realize ourselves to be instruments in the hands of the Almighty. Let us be obedient to that supreme deity. Let us be always in a position of modesty. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet.